ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೂ ಹುತ್ತರಿ ನಮ್ಮೇರ ನಲ್ಲರಿಮೆ. Today let's talk about Huttari, the grand harvest festival of Kodavas. It's a celebration of abundance, gratitude and a beautiful connection with nature. We are now in Hemantarutu, the early winter season. According to Ayurveda, this is when our Agni, the digestive fire, is at its strongest. Interestingly, nature too offers nourishing, heavy foods during this time. That's why the traditional Huttari Uta becomes so significant. The Kodavas celebrate with newly harvested rice, ghee, milk, meats and honey. Foods that perfectly represent Ritu Anukula Ahara, meaning diet aligned with the season's needs. Huttari beautifully reflects Prakriti Sammat Jivana, living in tune with nature. During Huttari, Kodava families gather to offer the first grains to the divine, dance together and share a wholesome feast. These rituals don't just nourish the body, they strengthen the emotional bonds and community spirit too. So as we witness this vibrant festival, it reminds us how deeply traditional practices can align with the wisdom of Ayurveda, celebrating health, harmony and nature's rhythm. Warm wishes for a blessed Huttari to everyone celebrating. Follow Aishila for Ayurvedic lifestyle.